But at any rate, I'd had sleeping issues probably mid to late 40s, and I really didn't realize the extent it had gotten till it was to the point where I was only able to sleep, maybe hour, hour and a half, 2 hours max, and I'd have to get up frequently through the night. And at that time, I was completely unaware of this product, and they had pretty much told me it was oxygen or C-PAP, and you would learn to adjust, and that was pretty much it. Well, after a little bit of a struggle with the mask and the hose, I soon did some research on my own and found out there were other options out there. So I researched that and found Dr. Gillum. After the consultation, it was determined that he thought that I was an ideal candidate for the device. So we tried it, and immediately for me, 2 to 3 days in, sleeping longer. Right now I frequently go 3, 4, 5 hours. I only get up maybe once or twice a night. Previously I was getting up 4 or 5 times. Did not feel refreshed at all. I do now. I have energy. It's made all the difference in the world for me. So it's kind of like being reborn at my age, so to speak. Yes, I did. And it's kind of an old school approach, and I don't think this device, from what I understand, was approved in 2004 that I've been trying, but for some reason a lot of the sleep centers are still pushing the older methods, and I'm sure they're tried and proven, and people, they work for you. You probably don't look for a difference, but myself, I think it was determined on CPAP intolerant, and I just did not like being hooked up to a hose, did not like pressure up my nostril, sinus headaches, that sort of thing. So I basically sought out an alternative, and very pleased with what's happened. Been on it about 5.5 months. Continue to get stronger. The main thing I feel though is when I get up now, I'm actually refreshed, and the energy level's much higher. We initially tried the minimal spacing of how you adjust the device, and I cranked it out from like 15 to 20, one each night, and that's about 3 to 4 weeks ago. I noticed that I went up to, it increased my actual sleep, probably on average an hour a night. Very unusual for me not to get at least a period of 4 hours of solid sleep a night now. And if I do get up, I get up, also go back to bed, fall asleep, and 2 or 3 hours later, get up, ready to go to work. A few weeks to a month after using the device, we have 4 children, all raised. They all noticed a significant difference in my energy level, my mood, kind of the whole thing, because I was getting proper rest, because I'm getting proper rest now. Very much so, because I do not have a backup, and I do not want to go back to the world I was in. It was just no fun. Go to a reputable dentist that has obviously researched and studied sleep issues or sleep problems, such as Dr. Gillum, and that would be my approach, and at least look to it as an option. Chances are, I'm not a dentist or a doctor, but chances are if your problem is physical in nature, I would guess that they can help you, and this would, to me, would be a viable option for the go-forward plan.